Hey guys, it's Ashley with Pugs and Pearls, and tonight we are going to be doing another HelloFresh vlog, cooking vlog. And I have not done one of these in about 3 years now, but since it is a quarantine and there's not a whole lot going on, I figured to update you on my HelloFresh orders. I have continued to use HelloFresh for 3 years. I find it to be an awesome service, especially during this time where you don't really want to go to the grocery store. You're trying to avoid any potential exposure, and it literally gets delivered to me every week still, and I can just put it in my fridge, and then I have a recipe card that I'm going to share with you, and it just makes it super easy to cook from home, especially during this time. But also, if you're busy and you work during the week and you don't have a lot of time to go to a grocery store, I personally find it an awesome service. So it is a little bit different than my first video or my first few videos because they have changed how they do some things. For instance, they no longer do boxes, they put things in bags. So we're going to take a look at the menu for tonight and also the ingredients. Alright guys, so tonight we're going to be doing the Chimichurri pork tenderloin with honey roasted carrots and lime rice. It gives you the ingredients here, it gives you a picture of what it should look like. The prep time is going to be 10 minutes, total time 40, calories 770. And chimichurri is a bright, herbaceous, and perfect accompaniment to rich pork tenderloin. And it sounds really good, and it also looks really good. If we flip it over, this is the recipe, basically instructions. So it gives you step-by-step as well as nice pictures so you can figure out exactly what you need to do. So we're going to go ahead and look at the ingredients now. Alrighty guys, so I laid out the ingredients for us here. We have some cilantro, some jasmine rice, also we have some chili flakes, we have a lime, we have 2 cloves of garlic here. And then we also have a little packet of ground cumin, a little packet of honey, and then we have a ton of carrots. So we're going to go ahead and start prep. finished dinner and it was awesome. I would say this one for me is about 4 out of 5 stars. Actually, in the 3 years, I've never had this meal, so that's the cool thing about HelloFresh. They're constantly bringing new meals that you can try. I do have some of my favorites that I continue to reorder, but they do introduce new stuff all the time. So the chimichurri pork was really good. I thought the rice having the lime in it was really unique, really tasty. The carrots having the honey, but also the spice gave it a lot of flavor. And then of course that chimichurri sauce just had a really good garlic, cilantro and spice to it. So I definitely enjoyed it. It is higher up there for me as far as the meals that I do enjoy, but I've been enjoying HelloFresh, like I said, for 3 years now. I find it to be very convenient, but also really tasty, not bland, but interesting, but somewhat healthy, fresh food. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog or cooking vlog, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.